Welcome to my channel RR Into Your Kitchen. Please subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Hi friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to prepare the most popular delicious rich and creamy sweet dessert rice firni. Firni is nothing but a rice pudding made with milk, sugar and rice and traditionally served in clay pots or clay bowls. So before starting the recipe, let's see the ingredients. Now let's see the preparation. First, in a bowl, take 1/4 cup of basmati rice and soak it for 15 to 20 minutes. Always prefer to use flavored basmati rice to give perfect flavor to your recipes. After 15 minutes, drain the water completely and spread the rice on a paper towel to remove the excess moisture. And please remember, rice should not be wet before grinding. Now take a mixer jar and grind rice to a coarse powder. Please make sure rice should be grounded to a coarse powder, it should not be extra fine. Take a heavy bottom pan, turn on the flame and add 1 liter of full fat milk to it. And boil on a medium flame. Keep stirring often to avoid milk burn at the bottom. Keep stirring from the bottom by scraping all the sides and boil the milk until it reduces to half. This takes around 10 to 15 minutes. Once milk starts boiling, you can see a cream layer forming on the top. You can mix the cream layer with the milk by scraping all the sides. Don't forget to stir milk from the bottom. Once milk reduced to half, add the grounded rice powder to the milk and keep stirring to avoid the lumps. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes on a low flame until rice completely cooked. After 5 to 10 minutes, once the rice is cooked, give a quick stir. Add half cup sugar and stir until sugar dissolves. And make sure you're cooking on a low flame. Now add half tablespoon freshly grounded cardamom powder. Stir well with the milk by scraping all the sides and cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add saffron to the milk. Stir well until it completely mixes with the milk and cook for another 5 minutes until firni thickens or you get the desired consistency. After 5 minutes, you can see firni turns thick, and make sure firni should be at pouring consistency because once it cools down, it turns even more thick. Now add 2 to 3 drops of kewra water for extra flavor and give a quick stir. Adding kewra water is completely optional. If you don't have available this at home, you can completely skip this. Now finally add chopped pistachios. Give a quick stir. Turn off the flame and allow it to cool. Now you can see after cooling down, firni has turned even more thick. Now transfer this firni to clay pots or clay bowls and refrigerate for at least an hour before serving. Yummy and delicious firni is ready. Garnish with desired dry fruits and serve chilled. Try this recipe on festivals and on special occasions and make it extra special. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel RR Into Your Kitchen for more delicious recipes.